Morning, everybody. We are going to be giving you a market update for Anne Arundel County in February 2025 versus February 2024. And here is the stats. Homes sold up 2.5%, pending sales down 10.1%, average sold price up 2.7%. This is an interesting one. Days on the market down 29 days from 32 days. That ratcheted up pretty quickly. Average sold price to original list price is up 0.92% to 99.7, and new listings are down 9% year over year.
Yeah, and while new listings are down that 9%, the good news is listings from last month to this month are actually up 11.2%. So let's hope that trend continues as we move into the spring market. The month supply of inventory still remains low at 1.1 months. So we still do have a little bit of a housing shortage in this area, despite all the national news that's saying all the inventory is exploding. We're just not seeing it here right now. Also, we're going to keep an eye on our government layoffs. Obviously, that may affect our area with the supply of inventory. So we're going to keep an eye on that as we move into the year. So the great news is interest rates did lower this last couple weeks. So we're around the mid sixes for conventional financing, closer to 6% for FHA and VA financing. So buyers, if you're looking to purchase, get out there now. Before the spring rush, because A, interest rates are now lower, your payments will be more affordable, you can afford a little bit more house, and then B, you're going to beat the rush for the spring market. So get out there now.
And for sellers, the biggest question mark is the government layoffs. What happens there? Because there could be a fast influx of inventory, which would not be a great position for sellers to be in. So we will pay very, very close attention to that for you. If you want more information about your home or a consultation one-on-one, we're happy to do that. Reach out to us with the information below. And we look forward to seeing you next time. And thank you for your support.
Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.